So this is a live look for you right here outside the courtroom. For supporters of the president, critics of the president out there waiting for the verdict to be announced.
And there have been a lot of people apparently that have been gathering, although they said the gatherings this morning were much smaller than they had been in the past. But as you can imagine, now that word is going out across the country that the verdict has been reached in this hush money trial, a lot of people out there now, a lot more expected. And, you know, a lot of people question the fact that the jury has come back at this time that they have. You know, what is this going to mean?
What does that
mean? They come to a decision? What's interesting is a lot of people were concerned about this being a hung jury, but obviously this is not a hung jury. They said they have a verdict, and now it's a matter of what that verdict is.
Whatever that decision they made, they had to make it unanimously, or the judge could have declared a mistrial. And, you know, the timing of how long a jury deliberates really can go either way. It all depends on the case. If the verdict comes back fast, it doesn't necessarily mean something. If they're taking longer to deliberate, that does not mean anything necessarily either. Our political reporter, Paris Schutz, is standing by. Paris, what are you hearing?
Well, I'm just hearing what you're hearing, Terrence and Sylvia, watching this footage here. I'll just go back to the Ed Burke criminal trial. That was a very swift resolution, a swift verdict, and he was guilty across the board. So you're right. I mean, the length doesn't necessarily mean one thing or another, but in recent Illinois corruption cases, a quick verdict usually meant guilty, and then as juries deliberate for more and more time as the days kind of wear on, you can kind of tell that they're not agreeing. Maybe they're getting hung up. Clearly, this jury is not going to be hung up. They have a unanimous verdict here. The political fall is going to be very interesting because we know that his base just doesn't tend to move, so a guilty verdict probably isn't going to erode his base at all. In fact, it might strengthen him with his base. He has used this trial to sort of paint himself as a martyr. The question is, those independent voters, where are they going to go? Is this going to influence them? And really, it comes down to a few states: Michigan, Wisconsin, Georgia, Nevada, Arizona, Pennsylvania. Will it impact independent voters in those states where the recent polls show that Biden and Trump are running neck and neck, and in fact, Trump seems to have a 1 or 2 point lead consistently in polling in those states. So yes, a guilty verdict could very well sway some independent voters, especially in those states. And like you mentioned, this is an unprecedented situation here. If indeed the president is convicted, then he faces the prospect of having to be sentenced at a certain point. We know he'll appeal. Probably appeal all the way up to the Supreme Court. We're also awaiting the Supreme Court and their immunity ruling, and that is something that should come down this week as well. So this is a very pivotal week here in the election and in American history. Again, we don't know the verdict yet. If the president is acquitted, it would seem to it would create a ton of momentum for him, and I think it's interesting that the Biden campaign only chose until recently to sort of send surrogates like Robert De Niro to the trial to sort of make statements. They've kind of been downplaying the whole criminal trial in their campaign, focusing more on issues like abortion. So what happens now with this campaign? Will it become more about Trump's criminal cases? And let's not forget, he's got the ongoing case in Florida, the Mar-a-Lago documents case. He's got the case in Washington, D.C. related to the January 6th insurrection. And not to mention, he does face civil penalties in New York for the conviction in the Trump his company's conviction, and then in the case involving now I'm blanking on her name, the woman that's No, in New York, the woman that won the civil case against him in the
E. Jean Carroll.
E. Jean Carroll, that's right.
Writer.
There's so many to keep track of.
Yeah, and then he has, like you said, 3 other criminal cases. This one, of course, the only one believed to go to trial before Election Day. And I wanted to circle back. We were talking about, we don't know the outcome, but if he were to be convicted, yes, likely he would file an appeal. But the sentences, the range here could go anywhere from probation to 4 years in prison.
And this is being watched very closely, not only here in the United States, but around the world. Yeah. All eyes and ears waiting to hear what the finality of all of this is going to be. And Paris, even if they do announce a conviction, obviously there would be an appeal involved. And the big question everybody is asking is, how is this going to affect the presidential election? As you know, there are 3 other cases that have been brought against him, and it's not likely that those would happen before the election. That's why this one was such a big focus, even though a lot of people on both sides felt like maybe it wasn't the strongest case against him.